We hate the baby shows and baby games that the parents give us for Easter. That's it, we will going to destroy it. Now let's burn it. Yay. We destroy the baby shows and baby games.
Oh, Brian, Junior, Eric, and Nicole. I can't believe you destroy your baby shows and baby games. That's it, you four are grounded for 9 years. That's it. I am going to have a mental breakdown. Now you four go to your rooms right now.